Good morning, class 3. I'm Amita Pandey, your SST teacher. Today, we are going to study chapter 10, Our Leaders. Just look at the picture. Can you recognize them? Yes. Who is this? Who is this? This is our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. And others, this is Bhagat Singh, Dr. Abdul Kalam Azad, Rani Lakshmibai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Mahatma Gandhi, and Mrs. Indira Gandhi. Who are they? Do you know them? Yes, they all are our leaders. So, what is leader? Leaders are the people who lead us in every sphere of our lives, whether at home, school, in the country, or in the world. It means the people in our life who are leading us or motivating us to do something good are called leaders. Now, good leaders inspire people to do their best. They inspire you, they motivate you to do your best. Our country achieved independence on 15th August 1947. You know this. And now 15th August is coming. There were many great leaders and freedom fighters who fought bravely for independence from British rule. Before 15th August 1947, the British rule was there, and there were many great leaders who fought for our freedom. Now, who is this? This is Rani Lakshmibai. She was born on 19th November 1828 in Varanasi. Now we call Varanasi. Do you know na Varanasi? That is near the Uttar Pradesh. She was born there, and she was born in a Peshwa family. She was trained in martial arts like sword fighting, horse riding, and so many other things. And she was a very Rani Lakshmibai was a very courageous queen of Jhansi and one of the earliest leaders of the freedom movement. She participated in freedom movement. She was very courageous. Courageous means bold. She was not afraid of anything. She was born in Varanasi, but she got married in Jhansi. The king of Jhansi, that is also Gangadhar Rao. She was a brave leader in the revolt of 1857 and fought against the British Army. In 1857, many people tried to just revolt against the British rule. So she was there. That time she was the leader of that revolt. When the Britishers asked her to surrender the Jhansi, to give the Jhansi to them, she refused to give Jhansi to the British. and she said, मैं अपनी झांसी नहीं दूंगी. I am not going to give you my Jhansi. She was queen of Jhansi. So what happened? In 1857, the British army surrounded the fort of Jhansi and a fierce battle started, and they started fighting. Lakshmi Bai did not surrender even after her troops were defeated. She managed to escape and attack the British army from Gwalior. She, like in 1857, when the British army surrounded the fort of Jhansi, they said, okay, surrender now and give the fort to us. But she refused and she fought a battle, fight with them, and that during the battle, her troops were defeated and she escaped from the battlefield and she went to the Gwalior, uh, and from Gwalior she attacked the British army, and in that battle she was killed in the battle. So she died on 18 June 1858 in the Gwalior. This is the picture of the Rani Lakshmi Bai. And who is at the back? This is a son, adopted son of Rani Lakshmi Bai. Now we are having the second freedom fighter, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Do you know that Bal Gangadhar Tilak was a mathematician, teacher, and a nationalist leader of the nation. He also opposed the British rule in his unique way. He, along with Lala Lajpat Rai and Bipin Chandra Pal, encouraged the people to stop using British goods and encouraged to use the goods made by Indians. He said, if we want to throw the British rule, what first we should do? We should stop using the British goods. And what happened? And the people started using the Indian goods. They all together, three of them, rejected English school and promoted Indian education. They said that Indian education should be given to the people of India. These three leaders were known as a Lal, Bal and Pal. Lal, Bal, Pal. If we say Lal, Bal, Pal, it means Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal. They demanded Swaraj or self-government. They said, now we need our own government. We don't need British government. He died on 1st August 1920. Now the third one, this is the picture which is showing Lal, Bal and Pal. All three are sitting there. So this Bal Gangadhar Tilak, he was from Maharashtra. Lala Lajpat Rai is from Punjab, and Bipin Chandra Pal was from Bengal. And this Bal Gangadhar Tilak, he started, before that we were not having our own paper. Like paper of Britishers were there, not Indian paper. So he started two papers. One is in Marathi, which is called Kesari, and the other one, which was in English, known as the Maratha. Now the third leader is Subhash Chandra Bose. He was born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack in Odisha. Now Odisha, that time Odisha. He was a just look at the picture of Subhash Chandra Bose. He was quite young when he joined the freedom movement. He was a revolutionary Indian freedom fighter. He was very he was fighting for that. He said, we are not going to talk like talking only with the Britishers. Now the time has come, we should go and fight with them. He encouraged Indians living in other countries to join the national movement. He encouraged the people. He asked the people to come and join the Indian movement for the freedom. And he formed the Indian National Army. And he was really for the women also. He encouraged women to participate in freedom movement and join Azad Hind Fauj. He formed the Rani Jhansi regiment only for the women. In Azad Hind Fauj, he formed one regiment, one sector where only the women can join that sector, and it was known as a Rani Jhansi regiment. So he died on 18th August 1945 in a air crash. Like a plane crash was there and he died. In 1920, he joined the non-cooperation movement started by Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi started in 1920 a non-cooperation movement where we said non means no, we are not going to cooperate with the Britishers. So he also joined that movement. In 1938, he was elected as the president of the Indian National Congress. He gave the slogan, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom." To motivate the people, he gave this slogan that "Give me blood, be ready to die for your freedom and I will give you freedom." This means when you will come forward and join me for fighting for our freedom, then I will give you the freedom. So this slogan is a very popular slogan of our freedom. Give me blood and I will give you freedom. In today's class, we studied about Rani Lakshmibai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Subhash Chandra Bose. Read these three leaders from your book. In the next class, we will discuss about other leaders, that is Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Nehru and Lal Bahadur Shastri. And please do the assignment and submit on time. Thank you, and keep on reading your chapter so that you can do your assignment nicely. Goodbye.